you understand about motivation? What's the meaning of motivation?
It's about things that push us to do something, right?
Okay, it is something that pushes us to do something. Okay, what else?
The thing that makes you want to do something.
Huh?
The thing that makes you want to do something.
Okay, the thing that makes you want something. Okay, any other answers?
An urge to accomplish your goal.
Okay, an urge to accomplish your goal. Okay, all boys, how about the girls? Girl power. Inspiration. Inspiration, yes, motivation is also inspiration. Okay, good afternoon, sir. Why were you late? Oh, your phone, put it here. Okay, so moving forward, I even asked you to read a short passage, right? Wherein, in that passage, it discusses different people, different successful people with different motivations. So this afternoon, we are still going to discuss related topics about motivation. But before that, we have this so-called river heroes. Okay, comes from the word itself, river heroes. Who do you think are the river heroes?
It's a hero that relate to river.
Huh? That's what?
Hero that relate to the river.
Huh? River heroes. What do you mean by hero?
Superhero.
Superhero.
The guy that help people.
Okay, alright. Now I want you to look at these pictures. Okay, it's so hard. Picture number 1. Next. Take all of those photos that I am going to show you. Okay. Okay, look at those photos. Okay, now, huh? Everybody, please. Dirty. What else?
A lot of trash.
Waste a lot of trash. What else?
Dirty water.
Dirty water. Okay. Next.
So the total
Okay.
dies.
Are you familiar with this river?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Very much.
No.
Yes.
But you are from here, right?
I've heard this river 7 times already.
Okay. So, teacher, what is the connection of that in our topic? Okay. Our lesson is all about motivation, right? And those who were able to see already this river, what did you notice?
A lot of people use it.
A lot of people use it. What else?
A lot of
Is there
people-
any environmental problem in that river? Okay, what is that?
The trash
The
go to
trash.
the river. I want
Okay.
trash.
Have you ever thought of like seeing or imagining that that river will have a clean surrounding, clean water, clear water, not just only clean but clear water? Have you ever thought of that?
Yes.
You thought about that. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, therefore, have you thought also on how you're going to do that?
By cleaning them.
So have you thought, yes or no? Yes, okay. What are those things that you thought you can do?
Collecting the waste.
Collecting the waste, what else?
Tell the hire people to make a like community to clean them.
Okay, so it's like cleanup drive. So you're going to inform those people related to that or people who have power to put out a cleanup drive. Now, those things that you have thought are your motivation to do that. You got the motivation by seeing the river, you got the motivation to do something for that. Okay? Next.
What motivates community to
Okay, what motivates communities to continue helping the environment? Community, who is this community? Who are the community? Who are the people in the community? Us, right? We are part of this community. Okay, what motivates communities to continue helping the environment? What do you think?
The community want to see the Pasay River Pasig go clean again.
Okay, it's also one of the motivations because we wanted to see it clean again. What else?
We want to see people using it safely.
Okay, we want to see people, including us, using it safely. Okay, what else? How about the girls? The girls are too quiet. I'm not used to that. Last year, girls.
Not here. She
Huh?
is very noisy.
Huh?
She is very noisy. When she is not here, it's all quiet.
Okay, but not the noisy thing wherein it's no longer useful. Okay, what else? Any other additional
We
ideas?
want to see the fish stand.
We want to see what?
Fish stand because they can eat it.
Ah, the beach sand. There's a beach sand in Pasay.
No, fish.
The fish.
The fish.
The fish one.
Fish, yeah.
Fish what?
Say like free.
Ah, okay. You want the fish. You want to see the fish swimming in the water.
Yeah, and then people
Can catch fish and eat that safely. Oh, I see. Okay, so those are your motivations because you're thinking those things for our own benefit, right? Okay. Now, this afternoon, we are going to discuss this one. It's in grammar. I just only gave an overview about those things, but these are the things that we are going to focus on. Okay? However, these words that you'll be seeing here, or that you see here on the screen, are also applicable in the topic that we're discussing, which is about motivation, success, and failure. Okay, motivation example for the present river. Your motivation to do like informing the government or the people in power to do the cleanup drive because you wanted to see the Pasay River clean. Okay, now as you can see here, this is an example of a table chart which is divided into how many parts? 2. Okay, divided into 2 columns. Okay, we have here in the first column we have the phrasal verb, and here we have the meaning. Okay, phrasal verb. Do you still remember phrasal verb? Yes. Okay. Now, in our previous lessons, I have already discussed about phrasal verb, so this is no longer new to you. However, this afternoon, we are going to focus on the phrasal verb related only to motivation, success, and failure, since that is our main topic. Okay, so here are just only some examples. There are a lot of phrasal verbs, but these are the commonly used phrasal verbs in our topic. What is our topic? Main topic in Unit 3? Motivation. Okay, good. So let us read all together. Girls first and then boys. Girls?
Carry on, keep up, work out, get over, go through, move along, keeping up with, fall behind.
I said girls, boys, right? Again, girls.
Carry on,
Boys.
Keep up.
work out,
Get
over.
go through, move along, keep up with, fall behind.
Okay, phrasal verbs. Why it is phrasal verbs? Because it is composed of 2 or more words. Now, each word has different meaning. But when you combine them together, they will have another meaning. So example, this one, carry. What do you mean by carry? I will carry my bag. But on, it could be on the table, right? So they have different meaning. But when you combine them together, they will have one meaning, which means continue. Okay, please carry on. Okay, keep going or continue what you're doing. Next,
Keep up.
give up. Okay, this is very common. You're already familiar with this one, right? Okay, which means
Stop
Okay, next. Okay, work out meaning? Okay. Be successful or find a solution. Next. Okay. Recover from a difficulty. Get over. You will get over from your problems. Meaning you will recover from that problem or from that difficult problem. Next. Which means? Okay, experience something difficult. Like for example, he's always sad because he is going through a lot right now. Next. Which means? Okay, pull up. Succeed in doing something difficult, which is very common to businessmen like who have gone through a lot of problems, but they were able to pull it off. Like for example, oh, you have a very nice LP, you can pull it off. It's actually like you were able to do better, or you were able to make it really outstanding. Next. Okay, keep up with, stay at the same level as others. Next. Okay, fall behind, fail to progress as expected. Okay, yes, you fall behind the deadline. Oh, what do you call that? The project is near approaching. The deadline of your project is near approaching. I hope that no one will fall behind the deadline. Huh? You haven't started.
But I finished already.
Okay, you will get over it. Okay, so here are the different examples of phrasal verbs. How many phrasal verbs? 8. And here are the different meaning. Okay, now tell me what is the phrasal verb that I am going to tell you. Example, succeed in doing something difficult. Okay, continue. Stop trying. Okay, fail to progress as expected. Stay at the same level as others. Okay, recover from difficulty. Be successful. Find a solution. Experience something difficult. Okay, now give me the meaning. Keep up with. Huh? Go through. Carry on. Fall behind. Get over. Work out. Give up. Stop fighting. Okay, go through. Pull off. Fall behind. Okay, did you understand everything? Did you memorize this one? Not yet. Okay, so I will repeat. These are examples of phrasal verbs that we can use when we are describing something about motivation, success, or even failure. Okay? Did you understand this one? Are you sure? Can you use all of this in a sentence?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
How confident are you?
สิบน้องคิด
99%.
How about you?
โอเคเด็กๆสรุปเรา เข้าใจไหมความหมายของมันทั้งหมด phrasal verb คืออะไรลูกแบบสั้นๆ phrasal verb ภาษาไทยเราเรียกว่าอะไรกริยาวลีคืออะไร
วันนี้เขียนสียาว
ในการที่เราวลีคือการที่เราเอาคำศัพท์ที่มันยังไงความหมายต่างกันมารวมกันแล้วเกิดเป็นอะไรความหมายใหม่ทีนี้เมื่อกี้ที่เชิญทวนแล้วใช่ไหมว่าแต่ละตัวคืออะไรครูขอทวนมาก carry on คืออะไรลูก continue ถ้าแปลเป็นไทยมันจะเป็นอะไรต่อไปดำเนินต่อไป give up อันนี้เราถนัดเรารู้อยู่แล้วเราแพ้หรือ stop trying โอเค work out
ทำงานแล้ว
ถ้าเราห้ามต่อออกกำลังกายด้วย work out คืออะไร
มันหมด
ำเร็จลุล่วงไปแล้ว
เป็นไปได้
เป็นไปได้ ต่อไปคำต่อไปคืออะไรลูก next word get over get over ถ้าเราแปลเป็นไทยคืออะไร
ปล่อยมันไป
ปล่อยมันไป
โอเวอร์เดี๋ยวเรา
ในรอบแรกครับปล่อยมันไปเนี่ยสิอันนั้นดู let it go มากดูมันดู let it go มาก get over คืออะไร
ผ่านไม่ได้
ใช่ผ่านไปได้ ผ่านช่วงเวลาที่ยากลำบากไปได้ด้วยดี
เจ๊โอ้ย
go through go through คืออะไรลูก go
เดิ
through
นผ่านความ
ไม่ผ่านครับ
อันนั้นก็ตรงตัวเดิน
ผ่านไปแล้ว
ผ่านไปแล้ว
ผ่านมันผ่าน
ก็ผ่าน
มันผ่าน
ผ่าน
ผ่านเลยค่ะ
ผ่าน
ผ่านผ่าน
โคง
รู้
ผ่านช่วงเวลาที่ยากลำบากก็ผ่านนะผ่านเหมือนเผชิญกับช่วงเวลาเราคือเผชิญแต่ถ้า get over คือเรา
เดี๋ยวแพ้
ก้าวไปแล้ว next คืออะไรลูก next
กูออฟดึง
pull
แล้ว
off pull off ไม่ดึงออกอันนั้นคือตรงตัวแล้วเกี่ยวแล้วที่แปลว่ามันต้องให้ตรงตัว pull off คืออะไร
คุณทำมันสำเร็จอ่ะ
ถูกต้องสำเร็จในการทำสิ่งบางอย่างให้สำเร็จได้แล้วกี้ต้องคิด
ต้อง
เอาชนะ
ตาม
ไม่เอาชนะทำเป็นทีมเลย
ตามทีม
ตามทัน
ตามทันประมาณ
คิดว่าวิคือตามทันแล้วถ้าตรงข้ามกับคิดว่าวิทย์ล่ะ
ตกมาข้างหลังมาฟอร์มยังไง
ได้ตรงตัวกันแล้ว
ตกข้างหลัง
ถ้าตรงข้ามกับตามทันแปลว่าคนคนนั้นเป็นอะไร
ตามไม่ทัน
ตามไม่ทันหรือว่าล้าหลังนั่นเองประมาณนี้ลูกเข้าใจไหมพวกเรา แล้วเราจะเอาไปแต่งประโยคได้ยัง
เข้าใจครับทำได้แล้วครับ
ก็อะไรยากเกินหรอ
อะไรยากจังเลย
แต่เราใช้แต่งประโยคได้แล้วใช่ไม่ใช่
ได้แค่ไหน
โอเค Okay, so you know that money in time, so it's no longer difficult for you to understand, right? Okay, so what we mean by phrasal verbs again? So let's review, let us renew your knowledge about phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs consist of a verb and a particle. Again, verb แปลว่าอะไร Okay, so action words are verbs. Now, phrasal verbs comes from the word itself, phrasal verbs, meaning phrase. Verb consists of a verb and a particle. So we have verb and then the particle. That's why there are 2 or 3 words combined together. Another thing is that their meanings, okay, meaning, what do you mean by meaning in Thai?
ความหมาย
Their meanings are often different from the original verb. Like for example, a while ago, carry on. Carry has different meaning. On has different meaning. But when you combine them together, they will have their original meaning. Or their own meaning rather. Okay. Next. What is the use of phrasal verbs? Why do we have phrasal verbs in English language? It makes communication more natural and authentic. Okay. Instead of saying you are what do you call this one? You have to experience difficult situation. That's quite long and it doesn't sound like authentic or static. You know static?
Sounds formal.
Okay. Sounds formal. Okay. But English speakers or the native English speakers, they are fond of using phrasal verbs. If you notice, if you are watching English movies, there are many phrasal verbs. Like sometimes I myself I don't understand it anymore. What are they trying to do or trying to say? Okay, so because these are like expressions for them with a very impactful meaning, and it sounds like having a natural conversation with each other, not too serious. Okay, so let's practice. But before that, let's go back to this one again. Carry on. Pull off. Go through. Keep up with. Okay. Work out. Give up. Okay.
ที่อัพหนักที่ฝัง
Okay. Let's try this one. Save the river lake. I will be showing you several words later. I will be dividing the class into 4. But before that, this is what exactly you're going to do. You're going to fill in the blank with the correct phrasal verb. Example number 1. Everybody with please read.
We should not carry
Give up.
Ah,
Give up.
are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any other answer from the class?
Give up.
Cứ tập cho
Huh?
I did not carry on.
Next.
Go through.
Answer.
Go through.
Go
Huh?
through. Many spaces.
Go through, right? Go through.
Okay, the community went through many environmental.
Community.
Okay, it's in the past form. Because when if you're going to use the community goes through many environmental challenges, it's like it's also correct, but it doesn't suit to the sentence itself. It sounds like a bit awkward. So the community went through environmental challenges, meaning it's already done or finished. Okay, next. Students blank a successful river cleanup. Huh? Okay. Students pulled up a successful river cleanup campaign because successful meaning already done. So there was already the outcome. So pulled up. Okay, now everybody please stand up. Faster. Okay. Okay.
What?
Let's divide the class into 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 there, 2 here, 3, and then 4. Okay. 1. Outside. Wait. 2, 3.
4
One.
2ใครสี่ใครสองแล้วใครสองแล้วใครสี่ใครสองใคร
Awesome.
สี่
Okay, each group form one line only, one line. Students, like first.
แล้วมันเป็นไหนกันนะ
ใครนำเขา
ฝากไปแน่
คนแรกใช่ไหม
และผู้หญิงคนเดียวอีกแล้ว
Oh, then okay. How many members do you have? 4. Okay, now this is what you're going to do. Okay, so divide the class into 4 groups. Each group receives sentence strips with missing phrasal verbs. Okay, so I will be giving you one sentence each, and then you are going to answer this one correctly. Of course, the first one to give the correct answer will be will get the point. Okay? Okay.
ผู้หญิงคนเดียวให้ลูก
First representative. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
ก็มวยอยู่
เอาเฟรน
ตะเพียนเรื่องเหมือนดูอะไรได้ดิเวลาของเด็กอยู่เนี่ย
You give me the answer. Okay, Mrs. Denver, give up. Give up. Are you?
เอาแต่ไม่ได้
ไม่ต้องก็ไม่ต้องเก็บไว้ให้ถาม
No.
ตอบคนเดียวเลยว่ะ
Okay. You can let your group members answer. Okay, you can let you help each other. Okay. Do not open unless I ask you to open it now. What? Open it now. Despite the challenges, the team continued to carry on. Bro, what are you? Okay, next. Oh, you help each other. Oh, wait. Your group, you don't do your group.
มึงพูดสามเพื่อมึงพูดที่หลังหัวโอ้ผมจำหวยได้อะ
แล้วเขาบอกเลย
Wait, do not open it. Do not open. Do not open. Do not open. Do not open. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
When to, when to,
Huh?
when to,
When?
ไม่ใช่คุณน้องสมุดมา
Okay.
ลูก
How do you spell that?
เอาสมุดมาสมุดอยู่ไหน
Okay, what?
เรียกว่าจากไหนเนี่ย
They got it. 5 to 6 sentences using at least 5 phrasal verbs from the lesson that we discussed. And then present your ideas to the class. So work in pair. Everybody, you go now I said go now to your chosen pair. Master, you go to your chosen pair. How about you? How about you two? Who are you going to work with? Fresh and okay. You go without time.
No!
Huh?
I would like to get
Okay, so this is the example of what? This is the example of what you're going to do. This is the your race has gone through, and then you're going to underline in your notebook. You can just do this one in your notebook. Okay. Gone through many environmental problems. However, local communities did not give up. They carried on organizing cleaning up activities. Students helped pull off a successful recycling campaign. If everyone keeps up with conservation efforts, the river's condition will work out. Okay. How many?
1, 2, 3,
Raise up
4,
first.
5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, 6, right? But what are you going to do is you will only write 5 to 6. Okay? Now in your notebook, yes. Only one, and then you're going to present that. Huh? Next meeting because time is up already.
Next meeting.
Yes, next meeting you're going to present it, okay?
But this meeting why for
Yes. And okay, for your homework. Okay, for your homework, this is what you're going to do. But before that, let's define again what is a phrasal verb. Two words composed of verbs and particle. Very good. Why should we not give up connecting the preceding verb basin?
to help the community having the clean water.
Okay, for us, for the community to benefit from that. How can motivation help communities solve environmental problems?
So everyone can create shelter to help.
Huh? Okay, how about you? How can motivation help communities solve environmental problems?
For community also. Community will have motivation, right? So that will have inspiration for new ideas.
Okay, to think new ideas on how to make it possible, right? How can you clean personally? Okay, so homework. This is homework meaning individual. Okay, it's no longer the pair activity. Homework is an individual work wherein you're going to write a paragraph, 6 to 8 sentences, explaining how students can help preserve the preceding verb basin. You, who are the students? It's you. How can you help in preserving the preceding verb? But you're going to use the phrasal verbs, yes? Okay. Use at least 5 phrasal verbs from the lesson. The underline. Okay, you're going to underline the phrasal verbs. As long as it will fit to the sentence. Okay. I will repeat. The phrasal verbs that we are used are just only some examples. Okay. But if you have other phrasal verbs, as long as it will fit to your sentence, it's related to the sentence, then it's okay. Any question?
Is this just like the pair one that we do?
No, this one is homework. The one is the pair activity. It's different.
It's different, but like we do the same.
Yeah, it's almost the same, but this one is
like we have a pair word and then we have a one word.
Homework. Pair activities.
Pair and home a solo homework.
Okay, this one is your pair activity, right? This one. Wherein you will have this one as well. Okay? But for your homework, you're going to do it all by yourself.
So
So that I can check whether you have you were able to understand the concept all by yourself. Because when you will be working together, the two of you can help each other. Do you understand? Okay.
solo word.
Yes, homework. This one is homework. The other one is pair activity, wherein you're going to present that next meeting. Do you understand? Good. Okay. That's different. Presentation and homework is you will give me your notebook and I will be checking. Okay?
Oh, God.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Any question?
I don't like,
If you have question, you can ask me.
I don't like that guy.
Okay. So we don't have question. So
มีคำถามไหมลูก
the end.
เข้าใจงานไหมอันเนี่ยสรุปมีกี่งาน
สองงานครับ
สองงานงานแรกที่เป็นคู่ต่างกันได้ไหม
ต่างกับงานโซโล่
โซโล่คือเราเขียนส่งไปแต่การงานคู่หนูจะต้องคิดกันมาแล้วเพื่อนำเสนอในภาพข้างหน้าโอเคนะส่วนการบ้านคือทิเชอร์เขาจะได้เช็คได้ว่าเราเข้าใจเองจริงๆประมาณนี้นะลูกมีคำถามไหมมีค่ะ
จะมีนะครับงานโซโล่อยู่ชัวร์
or EOP please those names of students who are speaking in other languages. How much did you get already for those students who want to speak English not? Those who are in the list of students who are speaking in other language except English, if you will not pay, it will be minus from your score. Okay, it will be a minus from yours. That's our rule. You agree to that rule.
When?
When you forgot it already. Okay, teacher June is already there. That will be all for today.
Thank you, teacher.
การครับ
เดี๋ยวย้าย
อะไรบ้าง
Thank you.
ก็สวัสดีครับทีเชอร์